Hi, and thanks for stopping by. Today I'm going to be showing you another creative morning routine, and I am so excited about showing this because I'm finally starting a new sketchbook. I had over 100 drawings. You can watch that in another video that's been posted of just like a sketchbook tour. And I've been making that commitment to drawing every single day and every single morning. That's for me what seems to be working, either really early in the morning when I first get up or right before I go to bed. And with making this drawing practice, it is so important and can truly help not only get more creative and help with your drawing in general, but also it helps create another habit that allows you to just enter any blank page and create something. I feel like a lot of artists struggle with blank page syndrome in a sense, where a blank page is the most terrifying thing to look at. And when you start to create on it, you almost doubt if what you're making is the right move or is the right line or does it look good enough. And I think that's what can be so hard about making art is trying to truly find what you want to make, what you want to create, and finding your style. And so for today's tip, I'd say this week, I myself am going to do this, and I challenge you to do this too if you're in an artistic journey, a creative journey, to stop consuming as much as you create. By that, I mean create more than you consume. Consuming can mean scrolling on social media and looking at other artists or things. Consuming can be certain, articles or whatever it is, just making sure that you are putting your creative outlet not in the hands of another opinion or reflection of what someone else has done in order to take away what you do. Because there is room for everyone, and everyone deserves to have that fair opportunity to create. And it's so important that we ourselves don't get in the way of being our almost worst critic and getting in the way of making art. I think that's for me what stopped me from drawing or creating art for so long, because it kind of felt like, what's the point of even making something if no one's really going to see it? It's not going to go anywhere and it's horrible. Like, I'm making horrible art. I was thinking at the time, and now I'm trying to lean into making bad art because I've talked about this before, but it's a truly a fundamental to any great creation or any great breakthrough. You have to have the bad in order to get the good. So for that, that is my fun takeaway. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. And I hope you guys make something and create today. And I hope that this inspired you to maybe take out a sketchbook or get a pen and paper and start drawing every single day because it truly will not only help you get better and make you, more creative, but it will truly help, I think, change your life. So with that, thank you so much. And I hope to see you soon. Bye.